I heard the teaser already, the trailer. It seems like a lot already. I don't know if I'm ready, but we here now. Live reaction on Twitch. NCT 127. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I might be pausing, so I do apologize. But you know what? Sorry, not sorry. It's already a trippy music video already. Like, did this man just go like laugh like you ain't ready type of ish, bro? Bruh. What does that mean though? Uh. Bro, Mark's flow is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's always been crazy. But look at this man. Look at this man's. Got Taeyong too, of course. I see you. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This man always shirtless, bro, and his long ass. I swear to God. Hold up, bro. Oh, we going faster so I can face the image made it. Ooh, okay, moves. Uh-huh. Baddies two, baddies one Porsche. Okay. Hey, yo, that move dangerous. Hold up. The whole waistband grabbing up going, like, yo, chip. Hey, yo. Wait, we need a repeat. Why they extra with it? I love it. Why is everybody shirtless, man? Not everybody, but damn. Damn. I don't know. Ooh, their flow is so good. Oh my god. Now you wanna ride these wheels. I did not expect you laying down with the cane in the middle saying, nah, you know you wanna ride these wheels. Done. Now you wanna ride these wheels. This man really out here saying he want to ride these wheels, like, really? I know you're not talking right now. Shirtless. Ooh. I know he's shirtless and everything, but look at his nails, though. His chain, too, though. I like those. What is that? I know these are the type of things that I feel like you only could wear these for like these type of moments, just like music videos and stuff. I wouldn't wear these all day, but damn, fashion, let's go. Ooh. Two baddies, more Porsche. I still don't know the meaning of this song. Are we talking about the two baddies that are like shirtless? Yo! What is his eyes doing? Hey, yo. I like their... Why did we get just wet out of nowhere? Like... I know it's like the singing slow part, but damn. Hey, yo, get your ish, bro. What? There's a floating car behind you. Ooh, vocal. Why did I feel like he was gonna kick me? I flinched for no damn reason. There's more? This man said, and I repeat, zip it and close. It seemed like they not taking your words because it's not zipped or closed right now. So, sir, what's happening? You need to talk to your crew. Ooh, I like that. I like that shot right here. That was a lot. That was a lot happening. I'm sorry, that was a lot. Like, the music video sounds pretty good, but the music video, like, Jesus, it took me for a whole ass ride. Literally, right after freaking Taeyong said, "Let's ride." And what did he say? They have two baddies and one Porsche. Two people having... Sound was cool, but the music video definitely got me all tripped up. They got two baddies and one Porsche. How does this man always look good in some of the craziest outfits? That flow was fire. Ooh. Ooh. Hold up, let me hear that verse again. This man said, you. Movement is blues Wait, why you give this man this verse? What? The first world through, I was just... This man right here. You know, that's my ultimate goal right there. That's a bad pause on him. I don't know who's driving. I would love at one point in my life, maybe sometime in the near future, that I will sit down like that and don't have any rolls. Like, look at that, the abs are on point. I think that's a different type of like success. Like when you can sit down like this, like how I'm sitting, and don't have, like, right now I got rolls, but he don't even. Damn. I love it. I love the fashion. Ooh. It's crazy though, but it makes sense for this music video a lot. Two baddies, one Porsche. Two baddies. NCT. 127. English translation. Yes. Two baddies, one Porsche. Two baddies, one Porsche. I don't know what you're saying. Look at the coolness as it is. So we're looking at the coolness. Money and manner. Verse 1. One of a kind influences me. Look in my eyes, yeah. Inside the giraffe painting I drew, move, yeah. Look outside the window, open the door. So we're opening doors. Right now, yeah. I gotta go, time is gold. We are the next, yeah. We pulling up, we cutting the line. Damn, if it doesn't shine, it isn't mine. Okay, so he likes shiny things. At the right timing, the sign reveals. Open the keys, open the mind. Too fast, cry. Movement is Blue's Clues. What does that mean, Johnny? Everybody jealous. Try and follow if you can. New rules. Pre-chorus. Stand against the dangerous thoughts. This time, I'm not gonna be shy. He's not gonna be shy. Let's get away right now. Faster, yeah, yeah. So I can face the image that's made. 0 to 100 on the highest speed. Nothing can stand in my way. My life is a highway made for myself. A. Fill up the tank, pour that. Gasoline on me, rah. What? Like gasoline on you, or gasoline like I got gasoline, it's on me though. Like I'll pay for it. And that's some. Hey, if anybody says that, I'm in love. If you say like, hey yo, I got you for the gasoline, I'm like, bitch, marry my ass. Two baddies, one Porsche. Two baddies, two bodies, one. It's not a sex song. It is a flexing song, but there might be some sex lyrics. Not that I'm looking for that, but just based on what I heard. Damn, why is it popping off? Rainbow shades show me, baby, what's your style? After you feel what's truly the best, your world is gonna change. You gonna wanna come and wow, whoa, need nothing else. You'll become fancier. Basically, he's saying like, yo, if you could be with me, babe, you'll be on that fancy life. You know what I'm saying? Now you wanna ride these wheels. Now we know where that at. We already know who says this. We keep on riding. They say vroom vroom. And you want more of this feel? Want this feel? Yeah, we got no time to kill. Exhaust is speaking and we're too busy. Going up further. Don't lose yourself. Run till the end. Forget all the worries. It'll makes you anxious. Better get out of my way, you know. Two baddies, one Porsche. Two baddies, one Porsche. I didn't know what you're saying. Look at the coolness as it is. Money and manner. Two baddies, one. We get it. Rainbow shade. In this open road covered in white. This is the bridge. This is where like they start singing and they wet. In this open road covered in white. The street brightens up and spreads out. Out of this hidden world. Run through the highway. Run through the highway. We running through the hallway. Whoa, speeding limitlessly. Wanna go to the moon? To infinity? Baby, the accelerating sound. Nothing can stand in our way. Ooh. Zip, show me, zip it up. That's what it says? Zip, show me, zip it up. What you got? Hey. Zip, show me. Adjust the frequency. Oh hey, vroom noise. Get out the way. Why don't we just drive away? Whoa. Two baddies, one Porsche. Nah. Zip it up and close. Nah. Two baddies, one Porsche. Nah. Zip it up and close. Nah. Two baddies, one Porsche. And scene. That was nice. That was a moment. That's enough of that though. Lay Veal, bro, had me at honey. I got so many flavors. Got me thinking about bees and honey. Really tryna. He got me studying honey for no reason, just honey. After watching that music video, but you know, it happens like that sometimes. Just ended me just looking at his abs. I don't know, bro. He was ripped. How will Veal do? Let's see. Let's get it. Let's go. Ooh, I like the hair. I like the color of the hair, actually. Oh, he going in. Ooh, Mahjong? Whoa. What the hell just happened? Oh! Well, that gave me chills for no reason. Or there's a reason. Got me feeling like I met you in a dream once before. Back it up, praise. You can plug it in, you can take it up, save it. Through your window, I see symbols. How's this gonna dry? It got me off guard. What? Mask off. Oh. Feel too real to be fake. Mask off. Ooh, ooh. Damn. Okay. Damn. What the? What? Maybe. The two. Should I just do it? Like, he's just asking me to show the rear view, so I'm just like, all right, just out here. Mask off. Ooh. I don't know. Well, he got me feeling like I'm hiding something. I'm not, though. How you doing? How you doing that again? Oh, hey, he little. Where's this going? Ooh, he's crumping. Let's go, Lay. Mask off. Yeah. Mask off. Mask off. Mask off. Mask off. Mask off. Yeah. All right, let's check out June. What am I gonna say? Listen.
I've been looking for the love.
What?
I hear your voice.
No. Okay. Damn. Pretty ass. Oh, he okay? You telling me where he going with them fingers? Oh! What is that? It's like purring in my ear, bro. He was purring on the beat? What? Ah, it's that type of song. Yes, I didn't know I was not set free. Damn, he has a nice jawline though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm burned. You're burning in your limbo? Ooh, nice touch. Damn, okay, abs. Yeah, he looks good, especially in the black crop top outfit. His hair looks fire. Man is cute though. Something I can never be. Oh, look at the dancers. The laser prints. It's a lot of like leather and like gloves and what you trying to say? Oh, you like wax too? Ooh, that's interesting. Damn, look at the dancers in the back though. Yeah, please set me free. I don't know. I didn't know that I was trapped in your limbo. Damn, abs! Bro, I feel like I'll never get abs. Like, I've given up. I feel like I like food way too much to not to. I'd rather have like a little tummy, and not have abs. Like, I feel like, or like have like a 4-pack or some shit like that. But Jesus, how do you? You know, he has a fast metabolism. That's not unfair. He looks good though. He looks good. I feel like he's trying to take my girl, but I don't even have one. Damn, why you playing with your lips? Stop. He's gonna growl. He's gonna purr. Oh, he's not gonna purr in my ear anymore. That's where I'm at. I'm in that little black box. What do you mean by you want to set me free, though? I could do that move one. I think I did that move one time when I was showering. It wasn't the same, but it was the move. Oh, nice transition. That was nice. That was fresh. Holy shit. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Great job. No, that was hell of a vibe. It reminds me of what was that AB6 solo that everybody keeps on? Is it that move that he was doing? Oh, which move? So it's like, yep, that one. Now stand up. This man has no bottoms on. Why he stopped doing Twitch?
You tell me.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Ooh. Oh, and all yellow, I'm guessing. Uh-huh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, what you gonna say? That's funky as hell. Do, baby.
Hey, ladies, gentlemen, do what you wanna do, baby.
Do what you wanna do. Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. The horns though. Hit. Get up. Hey. Get up. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go, Jay. Chicka chicka. Ooh, okay, dance. Let's go, Dance King. Hey, hey. Ooh. Man. What we doing? What we doing? Hey, hey. Get up. It's like that? Then Oh, we taking through what through the bridge? Excuse me? Excuse me? Let me drink my coffee. Oh, they just vibing. Let's go, Crush. Oh, what? What happened? What happened? Get that shit, my guy. crush, our. This crush, our crush, our crush.
Watch out, watch out, watch out,
Uh.
watch out.
That's kind of crazy though. I actually never expected Crush and J-Hope to collab, and this is so fire actually. Bro, it's like an ode to the oldies, real talk. I know Bruno Mars be doing that ish too, bringing it back too. It's always, I mean, it's never been gone. It's always there. It's always gonna be popping. And then, you know, just Crush got to execute it very well. You know what I'm saying? Love this so much. Yeah, just back like from J-Hope first coming in. It just felt so smooth to transition too, actually. Because I actually could not predict when J-Hope was coming. Because wouldn't they show like teasers that he's coming in? Crush is always gonna kill, no matter what. Vocals, bro. Chicka chicka. I love that. It looks so good. It's so fun. I could tell like they seemed like they would have a fun time making this. This part right here is so fire to me.
Hey, ladies, gentlemen,
To man.
what you wanna do, baby?
No, but have y'all see him with Young G? His interview with Young G is. Sometimes I question Crush's mental, like what he thinks in his head. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be added to the playlist. Let me add it right now, actually. NMIX. Now NMIX Dice MV captions as English, right? Correct? Yeah, they already know Dice. NMIX, NMIX. I do react on Twitch as well. I know they asked me like, "Where's your reaction?" I'm like, I do Twitch.
But we couldn't see your reaction video.
Because. Hold on, wait.
Our reaction video.
Anyways, NMIX, Dice, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Ooh, oh, what is this thing? The picturegram, autogram? Oh, they're inside it. Ooh, it's jazzy as hell. Oh, like big band kind of jazz. Ooh. Oh, they already look like they slaying already. Hella colorful. Ooh. Vamos amigos. Ooh. Da. 1 through N. Inside the dice. I mean, it's called dice. I'm dumb. So they're all inside like the die or dice. Ooh, look at the cat. Ooh. Oh. Destiny's in your hand? Of course. I like to stay home. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Let's go, Lily. I see you. Hey. Ooh. Oh, that was fire right there. Hold up. Going back to it. Ooh, that's fire. Why does this part sound like aespa? Maybe you're thinking of like the... Because aespa likes to do different transitions sometimes. That's what people talked about last time. Ooh. I like that shot. Ooh! Okay, yo, their dance. Even in, oh. pretty fire. I like it. Ooh, let's go, Lily. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Ooh, oh, it's like a river in there. Not the laugh. Not the laugh. Ooh, what is that called? The thing that they're in. Is that I forgot the term. Vamos amigos. They switched it up here to like a hip hop trap. Then too. I liked her voice with the horns like a lot. I don't know why. It just like it stood out to me the most. This part too, when it just like lowers it down. Look at me looking like I'm some expert. I'm not, but I just like what I like, you know. To all of them right here, that's fire. Cool. Even the video, the editing is fire too. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gammon. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.